You know, my client's experience is a big part of the job. Whenever I go to anybody's home, I'm there to own their problems. So if they don't feel comfortable with the solutions that we're offering, I got to make a change. I got to figure out a way to help them. You know, I want them to feel the ease of, you know, peace of mind, because waterproofing foundations, a lot of people think sometimes too large. They get overwhelmed by the issues because they're not, you know, fully educated on what's going on down there. So to be, you know, a professional in the trade and be able to help them, it's really a big deal as far as my motivation is their experience and what we do.